Hello YouTube. How do you use a 9-volt battery to light an 120 volt AC light bulb? That I will show you in this video. I wanted to share this with you guys. I made primary winding for my JouleRinger 3.0 following LaserSaber's schematic. So here's the schematic that I sketched. He has a much better version on his website. So you have your battery, 14 gauge wire, 72 turns, 28 gauge wire, and it basically only has two components, the coils and the transistor. So this is my primary. Turned out really well. I used masking tape on the ends to secure the windings, and inside is a ferrite rod. So I like how it turned out, and we'll see how this secondary goes. And just a few minutes later, we have the coil all wrapped up. So I used 14 gauge house wire on top of the 28 gauge enamel magnet wire, and I wrapped this secondary 14 gauge wire in the same direction that I wound the first one. This is very important. Make sure you wind both wires in the same direction. And as I was winding, I was using masking tape to hold everything together, otherwise you get inconsistent winds. So all is left is to hook it up to 2N3055 transistor that I got in this bag over here, and we'll see how that goes. Woo! I finally rigged up the JouleRinger 3.0 circuit. I think I had a little problem. One of the transistors I was using, I think, was burned out. So I couldn't figure out what was wrong with the circuit, why it wasn't working. But after I figured that out, it started working. Bam! Really amazing little circuit. It is making that high-pitched sound that you're hearing. But it's all right here.